Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all some hair extensions. So I don't know if you've seen my Amazon review. I bought some $10 extensions from Amazon and I actually really enjoyed them. I will link that up above and down below for you guys. If you are interested in hair extensions, you guys should check that out. So this company here got a hold of me and they wanted me to check out their extensions. And I went on their website and the hair looked really pretty. It was a little more expensive. Well, it was a little pricier than what I got off of Amazon, but I will say the quality is totally different. Like, this stuff is awesome. So I have already opened this box. I opened it yesterday and I was kind of playing around with it. So the company is called 6 Star Luxury Hair Extensions. And I'll put their website down below too if you guys want to check it out. And they're also giving me a code for like $10 off if you guys order. So I'll let you check that out. So a little background. I like hair extensions, all right? I used to cheer in the NFL for like 4 years and we wore hair extensions a lot. So then I used the little clip ones, like where I think I usually bought them at Sally's, and it was where you got like 8 different tracks and they were all different sizes and you just put them in everywhere and they're kind of a pain in the butt. But recently they have come out with, well, I think it's recent to me at least. They've come out with like the halo hair extensions and like the one track where it's thick and you just need to put one in your hair and it just gives you a bunch of body and makes it full. My kitten is biting my toe right now. Come here, do you want to say hi? Cute. This is Tater Tot. He's already been in a few videos. You see yourself in the mirror? Hello. He's so sweet. So back when I used to buy them from Sally's, they were usually around $100. And you got the, like I said, like the 8 different tracks, whatever. Then I bought that one on Amazon. That was $10, but that is definitely synthetic hair. It's not real. This hair is apparently supposed to be human hair, which kind of creeps me out. But anyways, the hair is really, really good quality. So when I took it out, oh, also I got like a highlighted one and I was so nervous about the color matching my hair. I was like, oh my gosh, this could be a disaster. But it matches so well. I love it. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm gonna give you a couple of my thoughts on it, and then I'm gonna put it in for you guys, and then I'm gonna actually curl it, show you guys how I curl it. Because I feel like it looks more natural when it's curled, because you can't, when it's straight, you can really tell that it's not my hair. So when you open the box, there's a few different things in here. It did come with a little clip. This is perfect for putting the extensions in because you need to clip some of your hair up. So I thought that was really cool. And then it did come with another, like a backup of the little hook and the string that you attach it with. And I'm gonna talk about this in a second. And they sent eyelashes. I thought that was so cool. They sent these fake eyelashes and I thought that was a nice little gift. I had no idea that these were coming. These are a little intense. Like, I don't know if, maybe for Halloween, these would be a little much. Like, I'm definitely not gonna be wearing these to the gym or anything. So when you take the hair out, it comes in this nice little bag like this. And I will say when I got it, it came in a little like hairnet, but I already took that off because like I said, I've been playing with this. So this is what it looks like. Oh no. Yeah, we're gonna talk about this. So this is what the hair looks like. It is so pretty. So I don't know if the light is picking up. It looks kind of like, I don't know, the color that you're probably seeing on camera is not the color I'm seeing. It's a little, I feel like, orangier on the camera. But it is so soft. The quality is absolutely beautiful. I got the one that is highlights. So yeah, you can like totally look and see which color matches yours, but this one is beautiful. So, okay, we're gonna talk about the back part, like where you apply it. Okay, so it came with this. So this is like the little string, you can see that, and 2 little like bra clasps almost. And this is different than the one I got off of Amazon. The one from Amazon is just connected to, like it's just connected to the hair. But this one, so it has these little, it's almost like a little like bra strap thingy right here. Here, come on, focus there. There you go. So right here, and then you're supposed to hook this onto that. Oops. So you're supposed to hook it like that, and then it hooks on the other side, and then you put it like, you know, like the halo part. Well, this little side already broke over here. I mean, I can sew it back together. It's not a big deal. It just kind of came apart here. So it would just need to be sewn back on. But I was not happy with how it was laying. When I was putting it in my hair, it was sitting like really low. So like the sides were okay, but then the back was sitting down really, really low, and it just didn't feel right. So what I did was I took a couple clips off of a couple of my other hair extensions that I don't wear anymore, and I actually sewed them on here. So let me get this off. So here's what I did. I took these little clips, which you can buy these clips at Sally's. Come on. There we go. So I'm pretty sure you can buy these clips like by themselves at Sally's if you needed to do this. But yeah, so I just did that. So then that way you just clip it in your hair like that, and then it's all on one piece. I really liked the halo part of it, but I just don't feel like it's gonna stay in very well. So I feel like the clips are gonna be a little more sturdy. And let me look on their website, hold on. So the hair that you can buy that like clips hair, if you were to buy, can you see that? So like if you were to buy the clipped hair through them like that, you get all the different tracks. It's $179. So let's see, let me see what some of their other prices are. So if you get shorter ones, they're like $120. This one is only $89. What is this one? Oh, no, 1, 2, 3. Maybe you don't get as many tracks. So yeah, so basically there's some different options on their website that you can buy with the clips. But honestly, I was excited to have just one piece of hair. Like I feel like this is so much easier than putting all the individual clips in. So I'm happy with this. Like honestly, I don't even care that this thing broke and that I don't like it, because I think the clip is going to be better anyways. So if you guys don't mind doing a little sewing and doing it yourself, then I don't think this is a bad way to go. Or maybe you would like the way that the halo part of it fits. I just was not happy with it. Even with the Amazon one, I just didn't feel like it was in there very like sturdy, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so all right, let's go into my bathroom and we are gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I curl it, and then you'll get to see what it looks like. But oh my gosh, it is so soft. Like I cannot get over how soft it is. It really, and the color, like I cannot believe, I mean, it really does match my hair. I was so relieved and happy that it matched, and yeah. All right, let's go put this in. So you know what, I changed my mind. I have a mirror right here, and I am gonna bring my curling iron out here because the lighting in the bathroom sucks, and I don't want you guys to, like, I did a Madison Reed review and my hair looks so yellow and weird in the bathroom, so we're gonna stay out here. Let me go grab my curling iron and then we will get to it. So to apply it, I'm trying to figure out like where I want to have it. So you want to put enough hair up so that you aren't going to be able to see the track in the back, but you don't want to put it too low because it won't, it's pretty long, so you want to make sure that it like comes along like the sides over here, you know, so you don't want it to be too low. So I feel like this might be a good, So, that it came with, this clip works so well. So, all right, here is what it looks like in the back. It's probably not straight by any means because I didn't look at it, but that is what it looks like back here. And you guys, I'm gonna link my other, like I said, I'm gonna link my Amazon video down below, because if you guys do end up getting these and you get the halo, that other video shows you how to apply the halo part of it, but I'm just going to be applying the clip part of it just because, yeah, you know. So if you end up ordering it and want to see how to apply the halo, check out that Amazon video. All right, so you go like this. So I do the one in the back, and then you bring it around the side over here and clip it in. And there. So it is in. And it's actually not that much longer than my real hair, but it's just gonna give it some body, and once I get it curled, like you'll see, it's just gonna give it some more body, and I cannot get over how well it matches. It is so pretty. So this is what it looks like back. So, all right, let's get to curling it. So what I have found, what's really the best way to do this is you kind of get a little bit of your hair and then a little bit of the extension. You just take your curling iron and you kind of go almost to the end of the extension, and then you roll it up, and then you leave a little bit hanging down at the end. And you don't want to leave it in there for too long, just because you don't want it to burn off. But yeah, so I found that is like the easiest way to do this, is to definitely make sure you get a little bit of your own hair each time you're making a curl. Okay, so I have the first little layer curled. Now I'm gonna bring this part down. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let this down, and then you just wanna make sure it's completely covered in the back. It feels good. And then you're just gonna wanna go through and curl this top layer so that it all blends. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much what these look like curled. I'm really happy with them. Like, I cannot get over the quality. They feel so real, and they just, like, I don't know, they blend in with my hair so well, and I'm really happy with these. I've bought a lot of extensions in my day, and these are by far my favorite. Not even mad about the little clippy thing breaking, because this actually worked out even better. I'm sure that if this were to happen to you, you would just have to email them, and I'm sure that they would do something to make it right. But yeah, I'm actually okay with it because I like the clips a lot better. So I'm gonna turn around and show you guys what it looks like in the back. I don't even know what it looks like back there. So yeah, that is what these look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And like I said, there will be a discount code down in the description box if you guys wanted to order them. I'm really happy with them, and they came super fast. They're coming from China, but they came super duper fast, so I was impressed with that. But yeah, I'm just really happy with the color, and they have a couple different like highlight options. If you guys check out their website, you can see that. But yeah, I'm very happy with these. Thank you to 6-Star for sending me these awesome extensions. I love them. So all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.